Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 5th, 2022. Snapchat has exploded up in price. You guys can see the market ended up 58%, almost 60% yesterday's trading. Now, should you come in and take profits, or could we wait because we are anticipating higher movement for this stock? I'm going to talk about that today on this video. So welcome to the channel. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confusion, right? I don't talk about balance sheets, income statements, earnings per share, EBITDA. I don't talk about no fundamental analysis, and I don't use technical indicators. I simply look at a clean chart, which you guys see in front of you right now. It's the only thing you need just to figure out where the price is going to go, because the market, it talks. You just got to listen. So check this out. I haven't done a video in Snapchat before, so this is going to be the first price prediction that I'm going to do for this market. So take a look. This is what has occurred into the market in Snapchat since it started trading on the New York Stock Exchange. Take a look at all of the market activity. Everything you see on this chart is literally someone or an algorithm pressing buy and sell. This is the truth. And you cannot come in and alter the truth. You cannot come back and rearrange what is already listed or plotted on this chart. It is what it is, right? Take a look at what happened the last couple of days in Snap. Now, the earnings right there on February the 3rd, the market saw a massive move to the downside, 23%. But then immediately the next day, market saw movement higher, 60%. So you let me know, what is the market thinking? Are they thinking price is going to dip massively, or are they thinking that price is going to increase massively? What do you all think? Because all of this volume down here, it speaks. Somebody took advantage of a situation. Somebody knows something about this particular market in Snapchat. The market would not be up no 60% if no one wanted to buy the stock, if no one expected the price to go up. They wouldn't do that. So we need to focus in on what's going on in the market in Snapchat. Should you come in and take the profit now? Let's see. First thing I want you all to identify is that, look at this. When this market in Snapchat first started trading, there was this very big gap that's happened back in October 2020. You see that? There hasn't been a market here. Price, no trades, anything has occurred in between these gap right there. So usually what happens is that the market comes back and fill it. And you guys can see that the market came and filled that gap on the 24th or the end of last month. All right, see that? Now, let's switch this time frame over to see what's really going on to the market in Snapchat. This is the 3-day time frame. All right, now look at this. This is massive. We haven't seen this much volume in Snapchat since we saw a massive move higher in October. This level is support right here. This is where the market in Snapchat is willing to buy and hold up the price. They don't want to fall below $28. That's our first indication that this market may continue to go up in price. The market came and confirmed that over the last couple of 3-day price bars right here. So as long as price in Snapchat holds itself above $28, guess what? Yeah, we can be bullish into the market. We can expect the price to go up, or at best, we're just going to trade sideways for a while. And that will give us ample amount of opportunity to reevaluate the situation to see if price is going to break below $28. This is simple. This is easy. The market is telling us where it's trying to go. So we identify that. Now, we got to consider this volume as like energy, built up, contained energy. What is the market trying to do with this? If it was weak, this market would not have closed up here towards the high of the bar, right? No, it wouldn't have done that. We would have seen the price close all the way here at the bottom if people were selling the market in Snapchat. Now, got that. Let's see what happened on the weekly. Okay, look at what happened on the weekly time frame. Yeah, there's some strength still here into the market in Snapchat. Very good. We can still expect some upward movement in Snapchat. Now, this doesn't mean that we're going to look for the price in Snapchat to go all the way up here back up to $80. Not yet. We have to consider some areas of where the sellers are at. And I can tell you that sellers are lurking right here. We got sellers lurking around $44 and definitely up here towards $48 or $47.75. Yeah, they're there. So as we anticipate higher prices to come through into the market in Snapchat, we got to be prepared for those willing to sell the market. Yeah, they're just waiting to get out their positions because they're currently losing. So let's see. How high do you think the price of Snapchat is going to go? Because that's going to be my price target. My price target is going to be, first area is going to be like $42, $43. That's going to be my first price target. And it might not even be worth putting on a price prediction. Second area is going to be up there towards 48. Now let's just see what we got though. If I say that we're looking for the sellers to approach around 43, that's still 10.5% though. That's a pretty good market move higher, 10%. For us to go to 47, 48, it's around 22% moving higher. And given the amount of energy that came through over the last week of trading into the market in Snapchat, yeah, it's not hard to not think that price cannot do that. Not at all. So let's go ahead and do this prediction real quick. Before I plot the prediction on the chart, I want you all to see what we got going on. Okay. So let me go ahead and give you my price targets on the daily time frame. So we got it. We understand that as long as price in Snapchat holds $28.50, give or take, we understand where we're going to go. We understand that the probability of higher prices is still on the table. Now, first area was around 43. Okay, which is around like 10-11%. Yeah, right there. So let me zoom in this closer. Let me bring this in closer. I don't want us to follow the market that long. So let's do this from to like April. So this is the first area right here, around $43 and like $43.15. It's about 11%. Now the next area is going to be up here towards 44. It might fall a little bit short. So I just want to give you the proximity that I'm looking for the market to go in Snapchat. Just the proximity. Okay. So it's going to be, my first area is going to be around $43. Yeah, you want to reevaluate to see if the sellers appear there. Because if you see them at $43, then guess what? You need to take the bag. You need to take that 11% and be happy with it and move on to the next opportunity. But if we don't see sellers appear at 43, then we know that the market is trying to reach up there towards $47. And then you take the bag there. Then you move on. Now, as we continue to see the strength coming to the market in Snapchat, yeah, the market may even break $47 and continue to ride up there towards 52. But we want to wait and see if they're going to first take out the sellers at $43 and $47. All right, so I'm done. It's your turn. Let me know, what is your price target in this Snapchat? Should you take the profit now, or should you let the market ride because you anticipate higher prices? Give me your thoughts real quick. You guys can see what my thinking is, what my price prediction is. So now it's your turn. Let me know. Make it public. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.